This morning, I woke up in a bit of a panic. You know that moment when you realize you've got no clue what to pack for Kate's school lunch? Yep, that was me. But don't worry, I've got you covered. Today, I'm sharing two incredible, simple yet delicious sandwich ideas that saved the day for me and my little ones. They are quick, they're easy, and you'll have your kids looking forward to lunchtime. Let's dive in. Welcome to This Mom Can, the channel where we juggle parenting, work, and everything in between whilst making life just a little bit easy. If you're a busy mom looking for practical tips, quick recipes, and plenty of inspiration, you are in the right place. Let's get started with this morning's packed lunch adventure. First up, my son's favorite, a chicken sandwich. I started by cutting the chicken into bite-sized pieces. Now, as busy moms, we know time is of essence. So here is a tip. Smaller pieces cook faster and they're perfect for sandwich. I heated up a little coconut oil in my pan, not too much, just enough to give the chicken a nice golden finish. In went the chicken pieces and I seasoned them with a touch of chicken spice and a hint of garlic. The aroma absolutely divine. I made sure to keep turning the chicken so it cooked evenly and stayed juicy. Once done, I placed the pieces on a paper towel to soak up any excess oil. This step is essential if you want the chicken to be flavorful but not greasy. Now, my daughter's request was even simpler, a bacon sandwich. In a fresh pan, I laid out the bacon strips. There's just something so satisfying about hearing this sizzling, isn't there? I turned them over a couple of times to ensure they were cooked perfectly. Crispy, but not too hard, just the way she likes them. Once the bacon was done, I let it set for a moment whilst I started assembling both sandwiches. For my son's sandwich, I used 2 slices of white bread, classic and fuss-free, just how he prefers it. On the bottom slice, I placed a slice of cheddar cheese, followed by the sautéed chicken pieces. No sauces, no extras, just simple and hearty. I topped it with the second slice of bread, pressed it gently to hold everything together, and then cut it into neat triangles. Into the lunchbox it went, looking absolutely mouth-watering. Next, my daughter's bacon sandwich, 2 slices of white bread again, easy and straightforward. I layered the crispy bacon slices on the bottom side of the bread, topped it with the second slice, and gave it a quick press, just like her brother's. I cut it up into squares, placed it in her lunchbox. Quick, simple, and oh, so delicious. And there you have it. 2 quick, tasty sandwiches made in under 20 minutes. As a busy mom, these kinds of recipes are my lifesavers. They are simple, nutritious, and most importantly, they keep my kids happy and energized throughout the school day. If you've enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please don't forget to like it. It really supports the channel. Leave me a comment below with your go-to packed lunch idea. I'd love to hear them. And if there is a recipe or lunch hack you would like me to try, let me know, and I'm always up for a challenge. Finally, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. Here at This Mom Can, we are all about making life easier, one step at a time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.